If I get really thin, you'll know that I decided to keep more of these blankets because I won't be able to eat if I keep all these. It's 95 degrees outside in the shade, and I can't think of a better day to be testing out blankets. Can you? I mean, oh my gosh, you guys, the weather is crazy here in Atlanta. It really does live up to its name, Hotlanta, but I don't care because I'm hiding out in my bedroom, which is the coolest room in the house. Not like cool, like chill, but like actually chilly. And I have already chosen one of my favorite blankets, which I'm sure that you guys are gonna absolutely love as well. And I can't wait to get started figuring out which one of these blankets is the best one. I thought it would be fun. I thought it would be fun to figure out which were the best blankets, test them out myself, do all the homework for you guys so that you don't have to buy something and send it back. So I got carried away. I got really carried away. I'm pretty sure I've spent over $1,000 on blankets. I got to send something back, or else it won't just be me that goes hungry when I keep one of these this month, but the entire family. So something will have to go back, lots of somethings, but I don't know. I'm gonna have a hard time sending some of these back because I gotta tell you, I'm already in love. So let's unbox these blankets, figure out which one is our favorite, and see where we end up. Okay, so we know I love the Pottery Barn, but oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Have you ever seen a blanket so beautifully packaged? Look at this. I gotta stand up and show you. Look at how the packaging is done. Is this not the coolest blanket? Like, I feel like you could actually carry it with you. Like if you're gonna go to the forest or on a picnic, you could actually legitimately carry this with you like a little bag. I think this is one of the coolest blankets I've ever seen. I just think this is gorgeous. I swear to you, I would actually like wear this. I mean, it's just stunning. It's stunning. It's a nice big size. Look at how big this is. It's huge. Oh my gosh, wouldn't this be so pretty over a twin bed? This would be gorgeous. Oh, see, do you see me doing that? See, this is gonna end up in the boys' room. But oh my gosh, like I could see this like styled up. I wear my blankets. Does anybody else do that? I totally do that. I wear my blankets. I walk around the house in them. This one is so warm. It's divine. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this blanket. How am I gonna convince myself to put it back? This is not a good start. We're 2 in and I am in serious trouble. Okay, so this, oh my gosh. That is the softest fur I've ever felt. Oh my gosh, that is actually softer than this really expensive Pottery Barn one. I am telling you, this is the softest fur I think I've ever felt. I can't get over this. Like I felt it in the store and I thought, oh, that's nice, but we hadn't actually opened it up. Oh no, why did I do this to myself? Oh, this was such a bad idea. Oh my gosh, this is, I swear to you, this is like the most amazing blanket ever. Now this blanket comes in so many different colors. Everybody told me on Instagram after I'd already bought the black one that they would rather have the gray one. I'm gonna have lots of gray blankets to show you. So here's the first and probably one of the only black ones, but I gotta tell you, these little pom-poms on here, everything is attached really well. It's like a chenille knit on the other side, and it's nice and big. And I know that I'm not the biggest person in the world, so I'm 5'1", so it's about my height. But this would be incredible on a sofa. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this was such a bad idea. I'm gonna fall in love with every single one of these. Okay, there's gonna be at least one that I don't like, but this is really, really good. I don't need to eat. No. This is from Target. see what I've done to myself? What on earth was I thinking? What was I thinking? So this is from Target, and it's one of those really, really cool throws that you probably have seen on Pinterest and all kinds of places. And it's that really, really thick knit. Oh my God, this is like, oh, this is so cool. Shoot. I shouldn't have done this. Oh my gosh, I love this blanket too. Now, this is not the blanket if you're looking for a blanket that's going to keep you super duper warm, because the knitting is definitely wide and I can see straight through it. Okay, so this is not like if you want a blanket to specifically keep you warm while you are sitting by the fire, but if you want a blanket and you don't want to be that warm, this may end up being the perfect blanket for you. The color is so cool. I think this came in different colors as well. This light gray is gorgeous. This would be amazing on a sofa, but it would also be so pretty thrown on the bed. Now, this was one of the very first ones to arrive, and I think that the plaid on this is so cute. It is itchy. It's not, does it say? Okay, it's 80% wool, 20% acrylic. It's warm. It is so warm. And it's a huge blanket. Okay, this one says it measures 79 by 87. So it's big enough that you could actually put this over a bed. So it is a really, really big, warm blanket. If you're looking for something to keep you warm and you're gonna throw this maybe over a duvet and it wouldn't really be near your skin, this is an amazing, amazing blanket. And the plaid is so cute, and it comes in like 50 different plaids. Don't hold me to that, I'm exaggerating, but it comes in a ton of different plaids. It was the fastest one to arrive, and of course with Prime, it comes basically the next day. This one is from Wayfair. If you're looking for a lightweight knit, this is a really good one. The quality, it's okay. It's not spectacular. If I had ordered this and this was the only blanket I had ordered, I'd probably keep it. I'd probably keep it. But compared to the other ones, it's a little bit thin. It's a little bit thin. It's okay. It's just okay. And it's a little bit on the small side. And I'm, again, I'm not the biggest person, so if you're gonna actually snuggle with this, it feels like it's made for a kid. Or if you're just gonna, really, it feels like it's made for a kid. It's pretty little. So yeah, I mean, it's not even, that's down to the floor. So, it's not really the biggest blanket. Quality is good. It's not the best. And it's not itchy. It's nice and soft. And I think that it being knitted like this is really pretty. But if you're looking for a blanket for a kid, this is great. But I gotta tell you, I can show these blankets to my kids and I'll tell you which one's gonna be their favorite, and that's that UGG blanket, because that one was so soft, and even though my kids are small, they like a big blanket around them. So this one's a go back. I don't know. I don't think this would be my personal top pick. I ordered this one from Target because I thought, if anybody else lives in a place that is really hot like it is here in Atlanta, you may not be ready for a massive, humongous blanket. And this is the perfect blanket for fall, if that's the case. Or if you want something thin, these are really good. I buy these up for staging because the pattern is really cute. Can you see the really cute chevron that's in it? This is definitely a lightweight staging blanket, more than I would say a warm cuddle blanket, but this would look really, really good over the arm of a chair, because the pattern looks really good, but it doesn't add a huge amount of bulk, whereas the other ones are more like throw them in a really great basket kind of blankets and pull them out when you really want to snuggle. But this is a definite winner, and I think this one was pretty inexpensive, so definitely check out the link below. This one was in like the brownish color, and they have several colors. Okay, so this comes in a little bag. The experience so far, it feels cheap. It doesn't feel that great. I don't know why they included this. This is actually just like a waist. The blanket inside is actually much, much better than that last one from Wayfair. Ooh. Ooh, this is nice and big. I like it. I like this one. This is really pretty. This is, yeah, I would definitely choose this one over that other Wayfair one. Just the way it's knitted is so much higher quality on this. It's nice and tightly knitted. I love this gray color. I know a lot of you love gray blankets. This is a winner. This is a total winner for like a lightweight, I would say it's a medium weight blanket. So I could definitely see snuggling with this one for sure. Ironically, my camera has overheated, so I am going to rush through this just a little bit so we can get to the end before it overheats. It must be all this wool in the air, but I gotta tell you, okay, I opened the H&M box while I was waiting for the camera to cool back down, and in addition to the blankets, I ordered this very, very cool vase. I adore this. It's pouring rain outside. It's pouring. It's literally about 100 degrees outside and it's pouring. I bet that is the hottest rain. Okay, so it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. But oh my gosh, isn't this vase amazing? So this came from H&M Home, and I am getting ready to do a Halloween / fall decor video. And this, I think, is gonna end up in that video because I love this and I know that this is gonna look so cool in my living room. So, oh man, oh man, all my pants are gonna be hanging on me. You wait and see a couple weeks and suddenly it's gonna be like, where's Valentina? It's like she just disappeared. And you'll be like, yes, but her house looks so good. Now, as I was unboxing these, I thought, do not look, do not look, do not look. And I'm like, oh my God, you guys. Look at this blanket. This is from H&M Home. Okay, thank you, H&M Home. You get me. This blanket is a dream come true. I'm speechless. Look at these. Look at these tassels. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? This is like the most amazing blanket. It is so soft and so beautiful. I don't know of a single place that I wouldn't want to use this in my house. Maybe the bathroom. We won't put it in the bathroom. That would be gross. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so warm and cozy and it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Just the quality for the price is incredible. Sometimes some of the blankets will be a little bit more, but it is such an investment. I have had some of those blankets for years. I am so impressed with this blanket. I almost don't even know what to say. Okay, so this is not like thick and chunky. It's thin and it is the softest wool you will ever feel. It's just beautiful. I'm so impressed by these blankets. I'm actually really sad because I'm not gonna wanna return any of these. This one was more expensive. This is, I would say that this is on par with like the Louis Vuitton blankets and the Hermes. Now the Hermes blanket, now that one is a lot thicker. This one is really thin, but this is definitely on par with like a Louis Vuitton. I would if you didn't see a tag, you would swear, like these blankets are so high end. You see, like it's got this really pretty like stripe down at the bottom and then that gorgeous little fringe. I think that this one was $199. This may actually be, I think this is the most expensive one. But this sitting on the side, I could picture this on the side of my white sofa. Or if you have like a light gray sofa and you want something really special, but you don't want to invest in one of the designer blankets, I just think you just gotta go buy this one because it's just beautiful. This is another wool blend. Look at the fringing on this blanket. Can you get over this? Why does H&M do this to me? Why do they do this to me? I'm gonna be so poor after this video. This blanket is so beautiful. The fringing on this is the stylist secrets that nobody wants to like tell you about. When you look at a picture and you're trying to figure out what is it, or when you walk into a space, you're just like, what is it about this home that is so breathtaking? These are the little secrets. Oh my gosh, this blanket is so warm. Oh my gosh, it's so warm. This fringe like this, these little details are what make a room feel extra special. I'm so in love with these blankets. I'm so impressed. I can't believe it. I cannot believe I found this many good ones. So leave me a comment, hit subscribe. I would love a thumbs up. Tell me which blanket looks like one that you would really like. And if you feel so inclined to add one to your home and to your collection, I will have all the links below so that you can do that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I hope that you've enjoyed this little format of video, and let me know what you think, and I will see you very soon. Bye. Ooh, that's soft. Feel the back side. Is that not the softest blanket you've ever felt?
Yeah, I don't think I've ever felt something that soft.
Isn't this the most amazing blanket? Look at the little,
Yeah, it feels very insulated.
the little pom-poms on it. And then this one. What do you think? Is it soft? Oh my goodness, it's soft. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's so soft.